Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to disable completely the phone by using the power key. So and after this hold down together the volume up and the power button, and when this after this action you need to release all key when the recovery mode up. You use the volume rocker to navigate and the power key to confirm, and now use the volume key to choose wipe data or factory reset, and confirm with the power button. And now when you see this interface, select factory data reset and press the power key to confirm it. Finally, choose the reboot system now in the options. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.